My name is Mike Thompson. I'm with Auto Intensive Care in Savannah, Georgia. Since joining with Kelsey in auto lift repair marketing, my business has really gone through the roof. We started with them, I'd say probably 8 months ago, maybe a year ago, and they have been wonderful to work with. Our sales again have gone through the roof. When we started, Kelsey asked for what kind of goal monetarily that we wanted to achieve this year. I told him. He said very excitingly, yes, we can get that goal. I was a little skeptical, but beginning of December, we passed that goal. So anything past in December is just add on to where we needed for our goal. So if you're even on the fence about joining with Kelsey, I would say get off of it and get on his side, because it will take you to places that you didn't expect to go. So I'm all for it. You are more than welcome to look me up and call me if you need any advice or opinions, and I'll be able to tell you about it. So thank you again, Mike Thompson, Auto Intensive Care.